Good Monday morning. We'll have more on those stories for you in just a moment. But first, let's get a check of your Monday forecast.
And it is an interesting one. I'll just prepare you by saying that.
Interesting meteorologist.
Hello.
I'm meteorologist Don Barlow, filling in for Doug Harlow today.
You don't want anybody to know who you are.
No, I do not. I'm incognito today.
For good reason.
It's interesting that you have those glasses to begin with.
Yeah. And you wear that mustache sometimes.
Yeah, well, you're certainly not going to need the sunglasses here for today, that's for sure. Yeah, unfortunately, we have a lousy weather forecast in play. Rain, temps have dropped back through the 40s, and dare I say, even some wet snow falling right now in far eastern West Virginia once you get above 3,000 feet. But it's a cold rain here in the Kanawha Valley, a little more spotty out to the west, so we will start to see things becoming a little more spotty rain-wise in the Kanawha Valley later this morning. But we've had tons of rain over in eastern West Virginia, and that's causing a problem here with some flood warnings, numerous flood warnings, in fact, especially for Braxton, Nicholas, Webster counties, flooding ongoing right now. Braxton County in particular, Nick's going to talk a little bit more about this, but Route 4, the Elk River is actually up at flood stage and a little above, so it is causing flooding in some locations there. This morning. So take it easy out there and obey any road closure signs. Again, turn around, don't drown. Temperatures right now falling toward 40 degrees, and that's pretty much where we're going to stay. Don't expect much of a rebound at all. In fact, we might even drop into the 30s by the end of the day, and winds are gusting too, putting our wind chills down around 30. So rain showers this morning tail off for a time, but they'll pick back up again this afternoon and mix with snow. Even here in Charleston, Huntington, don't be shocked if when you're coming home from work, you're seeing some snowflakes in the air, and the mountains will likely get some snow accumulation tonight. So we'll talk about all of that. That's why Doug Harlow decided to take the day off today and gave me the job to deliver the bad news. Nick, what about you? Do you any bad news in the road front?
It's not as bad as what you're telling us here, Don. So that's the good news here for today. I'm going to need a disguise, I think, too, at some point, though. Just in case, just to stay.
You could borrow my mustache.
There we go. Here we go. Just comes right off right there. Look at this. It was Doug the whole time. Who would have thought that? Now, I do need to tell you about one spot, though. Gasaway Volunteer Fire Department sending this in. This is Route 4 up here in Braxton County. We were just talking about the areas along the Elk River. You can see a rock slide coming down right there, blocking the road, at least the right lane right there. They were kind enough to send these pictures in to us via the Burst app, burst.com/WCHS-TV. I've got this point marked on Waze for you as well. It's right there near Frametown, and you can see just along the Elk River some flooding involved with that as well. So it's a few lane closures in that area. That's our big point of concern. Of course, now we've got the traffic moving. We've got the construction to talk about as well. A lot going on this Monday morning. We've got it all covered for you. Traffic and weather every 10 minutes.